Hello there, welcome to another video. My name is Sparkman. I'm a game developer, and today I want to show you a parallax scrolling demo. Now this is nothing fancy. It's the ninja. If you press shift, he jumps. Which is a platform object. These are the settings I'm using, and you can see that I have 3 layers. I'm gonna hide these other 2 layers so you can see what's going on. This is the front layer. Here is the shadow for the ninja. Here is the second layer, which is the one with the mountain. This is the background layer, okay, with the clouds. I'm going to enable all these layers. Now if you double click on the ninja, you can see that I have a running animation, a jumping animation, and falling animation, which is only 1 frame actually. Now I'm going to disable these 2 layers. And you can see that I have a physics ground. There's one point here, and the other one, it's on the other side. And this creates a vector line for our character to walk on. Alright, so I'm going to enable these layers, and let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. The ninja collides with the background. We make him stop, try it out. That works fine. Let's create an always. And on the storyboard controllers, we can make our ninja scroll. Ninja scroll, that sounds familiar. And under the shadow, we can set the X position of the shadow equals the X position of the ninja. Let's try it out. You can see the shadow follows the ninja, but we have no parallax scrolling. Now to do the parallax scrolling, we don't have to do anything in the event editor. So I'm going to click on the second layer. Let's set the X coefficient to this to 0.5. Let's try it out. You can see that works right away. I'm going to select the first layer. I'm going to change the X coefficient of this to 0.1. Okay, let's try this out. And you can see that this works right away. I'm going to take the second one and make this at 3 instead. And that kind of looks a lot farther away now. I think I like it better like that. Alright, so you can see that this is extremely simple. There's nothing to it. Now there's no need for extensions for this, so this works for Android and iOS as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, like the video, and I will see you in the next episode.